So what you think about it, Nate?
I think did a fine job.
All right, YouTube, what's going on? Back at it with another video. I got a short bed Chevy truck with a 5.7 in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this engine out, and I got the other engine over here. I got it right there. So he got that, the customer, he got it from the junkyard. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap it out. What's going on with this one? He said he heard like a knock on the bottom end or something like that, and we're just gonna swap it out. Like I said, it's a 5.7, and what they call it like a TBI setup. It's fuel injected. Let y'all take a look at it. It's a pretty clean truck. Guy, he stay right down the road from me. He a real cool dude, nice dude. We get along real good. So he said he wanted me to do the work, and let y'all take a look at it. But I'm gonna go ahead and start, tearing it down, getting most of the components out, like the radiator, the fan strap, the fan, all the hoses, unhooking the battery, and probably do most of the top end stuff, far as in like unhooking like wires and stuff, and then like the power steering pump, and then probably work on some of the bottom end stuff like starters, torque converter bolts, transmission housing bolts, and stuff like that. But I'm gonna work on some of this, and then I'll turn it back on. All right, YouTube, I'm back. So I got most of the top end stuff done. I got the compressor, got it. I got it loose. You don't want to unhook that. You don't want to disturb the line on it. I got the radiator out. I got the shroud out. I got the header bolts unloosened. I got the power steering line. I got it unhooked. I'm gonna reuse this line because it's new. Just unhook it from there. And I got all the wire harness. I got it pulled back to the side. What else? I got this side did with the header. I got it. The exhaust bolt, the header bolts loose. What else? Then I got the ground cable. I got it loose, unhooked from the block. And I think transmission lines, I got all that unhooked. And I got the distributor cap. I got it unhooked apart from the distributor because I don't want to break it trying to take it out. But I think I'm gonna go with that same distributor because I think it's pretty new. And I got the heater hose for the water jacket. I got that unhooked. And then now it's only left for the bottom end stuff like motor mount bolts, transmission housing bolts, starter, flywheel, and torque converter bolt. And that's it. And then it should be coming on out. So I'm gonna probably do it the next day. So I'll just turn you back on. All right, peace. All right, YouTube, back at it the next day. I got it prepped up so I can go ahead and get up under the car and work on most of the stuff. So I'm gonna just go and show y'all, the best way. I ain't gonna say the best way because you can do it so many ways of how to prep the car if you want to get up under the car and try to be safe. But I got these center blocks right here, and I got a piece of board on top. And you don't want to have the hose facing this way. You want to have them up top, going down. You got more support right here. And I got these, I think these 4-inch center blocks, kind of to chop the tires a little bit. And I did this side like that too. So let y'all get a better view of it. plenty of room. I can get up under there and work on the torque converter bolts and bell housing bolts. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on that, and then I'll turn you back on. All right, YouTube, I'm back. I got everything unbolted on the bottom end of the engine. I'm gonna just give you a little rundown what you have to do. I mean, I know most of y'all might know, but you know, this is for the people who don't know, that maybe want to try to take their own engine out one day. But you got these transmission housing bolts, and it's 6 of them. They're 9/16 bolts. You got 2 right here. Then you got one up top. Then you got one up top right there where that dipstick going in. Then you got the 2 right here on the side. I don't know if you can see it. Try to zoom in on it. Those right there. And there's one on the bottom. I'm trying to see if y'all can see my finger. Like right there. Then there's one right there. Then that one right there. Same on that side. Up there. One right there. Then it's one right there. And I got the torque converter bolts out. You got 3 of them. They are 15mm bolts. You got that one right there. Then you just have to spin the flywheel around, and it's gonna be on compression, on some scrote, so you might have to force yourself, get a glove and try to just push it, and it should spin around. Then you got your starter bolts, which is 9/16 bolts, and these are those right there. It's your starter bolts. And let's see, that's pretty much it. You don't have to worry about your transmission lines, none of that. Your knock sensor, you want to unplug that, and that's it. All the wire harness on the back of the engine is unhooked, and make sure you got all of the ground cables detached from the motor, and that's it. So I'm gonna have to end up cutting this short right here, but I got the whole bottom end done. So what I'm gonna do, it's been a couple of days, so I got everything kind of prepped to go ahead and get the engine out. Got some boards down. I got the engine on the engine stand, the one that I'm putting in. Get the exhaust bolts off, water pump, power steering pump new, this side of the exhaust bolts. And drain the oil out of it, and pretty much it. But this is the engine stand I bought. I got it from O'Reilly's, like $100, and I think that's pretty much it. I got a jack under there to support the transmission, so when the engine come out, it won't drop down. And I got the car in neutral. You got to have the truck in neutral, the vehicle in neutral. I think that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it out, and then I'll turn it back on. All right, YouTube, back. So literally it took probably about, I want to say 5 minutes. It ain't take that long, but got the engine out. And if I were you, just try to go ahead and get you some boards like this, kind of sawed up, and man, it won't even probably take less than 5 minutes. Get the engine broke apart from the transmission and torque converter, and once it get loose, and I thought I had to take the hood off, but it kind of comes up pretty high, so I ain't had to take it off. But got the engine out, and that's it right there. So I like the pretty nice little setup that I got going on. Got one engine on the stand and one engine in the air, so it's a good little scene. I like it. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it prepped, sat on the ground, or whatever I'm gonna do with it. Might go ahead and sit it on the trailer over there, and I'll turn it back on. All right, YouTube. So I got the engine in. I got everything put back together. That's the old one. like I say, man, I'm proud of myself, man. Every day, you know, I think about a lot of stuff that I accomplished, man. It's kind of turned into a dream, you know. So that's the old engine, and I got the new one in, and we're gonna go ahead and just crank it up, man. Fingers crossed, hoping that I got everything right. So let's do this. There you go. She running. So we did it, man. I checked all the leaks. I cranked it up before, but you know, I had to make sure all the leaks and stuff were straight. All right, so YouTube, so I got the customer right here, a neighbor down the road. So his name Nate. So what you think about it, Nate?
I think did a fine job. I mean, I don't see any problems whatsoever. Everything is working well. I just drove the vehicle, and I'm very happy with it. Very happy with it.
All right, y'all hear it from the man. So you know that's what I do, man. I got a passion for it, man. So y'all like, share, subscribe, and we out.